There is an old saying in the Netherlands, and that is: koop een boot, werk je dood. Literally translation: buy a boat and work yourself to death. Anyway, this is my rubber boat. It's from the 1980s. It is made with Hypalon, and that is a kind of rubber that has extremely good properties, and it was made in those days in Germany. And these are the most important things to tell. 4 persons, 500 kilogram Motorleistung, motor, 10.6 kilowatt, 15 pk, etc, etc. And of course this means that you cannot you can of course use a pump, but of course such a boat may never be pumped too much. There's a certain limit. And here are the ventiles, etc, etc. They were from the 1980s, still work very properly. And this factory, the DSB, in the past also made these boats for oil rigs in the sea, etc, etc. Of course not this boat, but special boats for that specific situation. DSB, Deutsche Schlauchboot Fabrik. Anyway, I had to do some repairs, and when you want to do these repairs, this boat is made of Hypalon, and it is a specific glue. It has to be mixed with some hardener, and of course it's a kind of rubber glue. But anyway, and Hypalon is the most durable. I cannot say plastic. That's a kind of shame for this super material of which this boat is made. And this is Hypalon, typical Hypalon, dark blue by the way. And this is that glue that you must use with some hardener. The box tells everything about how to use it, so I don't have to elaborate on that. Thanks for watching, by the way. It's a very good boat. And well, that's more or less all that I can tell. Hypalon is, the best rubber, not only a rubber. I cannot dive too deep in, the fabric that is used, but anyway, it's the best rubber to make such a inflatable boat. Thanks for watching.